Hi, I'm Harish, and today I'm going to show you an implementation of the latest model from Google called Gemini Embedding 2. Why is this model good or why is this model new? Essentially, what Google has done is earlier when we had to create embeddings for different types of data, for example, text, PDF, documents, images, audio, we had to use different types of models for each of these. But with Gemini Embedding 2 model, all of this is possible with just one model, one single API call, and you have the embeddings. What it can do is essentially get input from all different types of formats, like you can see, and give you vectors for all of them at once. However, there are some minor limitations, which is text, the context size is 8192 input tokens, images up to 6 images per request, video is up to 120 seconds long. However, you can always call multiple APIs to do this, or you can actually chunk videos if it is longer than 120 seconds to generate embeddings. What I've built today is WhisperGrid, which is essentially 9 videos, thanks to Pixels for the copyright free videos. But the idea is very simple. Can you search a video with your voice? Right? There are multiple implementations, but this one is for you to get an idea of what this model is capable of. When the application loads, the GitHub link to this is in the description below, and also the technical blog is also in the description below for you to read through and make it your own, fully open source. The idea is very simple. 9 videos are loaded. When they load, embeddings are created using the Gemini API and using the Gemini Embedding 2 model that I just spoke about. And a user can then ask questions about any of these videos and it'll identify which video that question or what you're looking for is part of. Let's quickly see a demo. If I do click my start, I can ask a question and it'll identify the video. Flowers with a butterfly. That's it. I can do another one. Giant wheel. Oh, there you go. I said giant wheel, but it went there. Let's see. Let's try it again. Green frog. Perfect. Right? Pool of water. There you go. Right? Spinning wheel. Ah, finally. That's a quick demo of how you can implement multi-modality with single embedding model and single API call. Code again is open source. I will see you on another demo another day. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.